She walked into court fighting cancer and walked out facing prison time. But what happened next in this courtroom shocked everyone. Was the judge about to send her to jail or give her one last chance?
Good morning. Are you Bonita Graham?
Oh, yes,
Pull your mask down so I can. Are you sick?
yes, ma'am.
What do you have?
I had chemo earlier.
Okay,
Cancer.
gotcha. So just if you'll do it while you're up here, we
Yes,
got a
ma'am.
lot of people that way can understand you better.
Okay.
And will your client waive the formal reading of the indictment and the motion?
Yes, ma'am.
Ms. Graham, in cause number 25, DCCR 0734, you're charged with the state jail felony offense of credit or debit card abuse from January 3rd of 2025. And how do you plead to that charge?
Guilty.
Are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily?
Yes, ma'am.
And are you pleading guilty because you did what they've charged you with?
Yes, ma'am.
I have here on the tablet some documents that have your signature on them that the state's marked as exhibit number 1. Before you signed these, did you go over them with Ms. Holmes?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you fully understand them?
Yes, ma'am.
And it looks like there's not an agreement. You're asking for probation. The state's attorney is asking for state jail. I want to make sure you understand that you have an absolute right to have a jury come in and determine 2 things. The first would be to decide if you're guilty or not. And then if they find you guilty, you could leave your punishment up to them. If we go forward this way, you're waiving that right and leaving it up to the court. And it looks like, is there a waiver of
Yes.
post-conviction? And so when whatever I do, you're agreeing that you will kind of be stuck with that no matter what it is, as long as it's within that punishment range. Is that your understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you also understand, if you're not a U.S. citizen, that a plea of guilty or no contest may result in your deportation, exclusion from admission to the country, or denial of naturalization under federal law? State defendant's number 1 in that case.
Object.
It's admitted. Is there any evidence that Ms. Graham's not competent?
No, Your Honor.
Graham, in cause number 25, DCCR 0734, I'm going to find that you entered your plea of guilty freely and voluntarily. Find that you're mentally competent and understand the nature and the consequences of your plea. Find sufficient evidence to find you guilty. However, I'm going to reset your case so that the probation department can do a pre-sentence report, and then we will come back later for sentencing. And then let me get to this other. Now, in cause number 23, DCCR 1828, I have a motion to revoke your community supervision. This shows that you were placed on probation December 12th of 2023 for the offense of credit or debit card abuse, a state jail felony. That was a 2-year term in the state jail prison, but it was probated for 3 years. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
It alleges you violated your probation. Count 1 alleges that you committed the new offense of credit debit card abuse that we just went through from January 3rd of 2025. And is that true or not true?
Yes, ma'am.
True or not true?
True. I'm
Thank you.
sorry.
Count 2 alleges that you were behind in your court-assessed fees as of July 2nd of 2025 in the amount of $2,881. And is that true or not true?
True.
Did you enter your pleas of truth in that case freely and voluntarily?
Yes.
And because they're actually true?
Yes.
All right, then I'm going to find that you entered your pleas of true to counts 1 and 2 freely and voluntarily. Find those counts true. Find sufficient evidence to revoke your probation. However, I'm going to reset that also for sentencing when we'll get the updated pre-sentence report done on that case, and then we'll take care of both cases at the same time on sentencing. If there's anything important that you think I should know, make sure and get that information to Ms. Holmes. She will present it to me on your behalf when we come back. As you're leaving the courtroom today, you need to stop and talk to probation. She's at that desk right over there. All right, we'll see you back at sentencing.
Law firm, Joseph Rui,
Speak up.
the Daniels.
Okay, where are they out of?
They actually they had gone.
The Nathaniel Law Firm?
I think it's I have it on my phone.
I want you to look at it for me. Oh, I'm crooked.
I think it's
Ooh. Well,
also talk to law. This
that's not it. Hearing one.
Got it for you.
I don't know. This isn't staying. It's all loosey goosey. I don't know how to tighten. I'm guessing it's probably with some tool right there. Right there. Who came in here and fixed all this? Zach. Yeah, well, I need him back.
Andy.
He was gonna check with us when you got it, but what, I need the tool that tightens this. Yes, they're loosey, they're not. Yes.
I don't bring that.
Anything out there? It's not. Maybe I'll just lean it on this for now. You think that would be better?
There were coolies.
I shouldn't touch it now. Whatever. Okay, who'd you talk to?
Oh, Dr. Joseph Ruiz.
Joseph Ruiz?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. And Nathaniel. But I think Nathaniel, when they think Houston, I really think I can't look it up right now. I think they said Houston was referred to them. But I talked to a couple more, the Walker law firm.
Okay.
And
Are you working?
yes, ma'am. But my only problem with working is that the jobs that I work, I'm going to do electrical work and I'm going to go show them. Fortunately, I didn't get the last job I went to interview for.
Okay.
But travel, and travel freely, so I really can't work as
Okay.
much as I.
All right, so I'm gonna have you fill out some paperwork this morning, Mr. Eli, to see if you qualify for a court-appointed lawyer. You need to fill it out accurately and completely. And you're gonna swear under oath that it's all true, correct, and then I'll take a look at it. If you step in front of the clerk, she'll give you that information. Good morning, sir. You're Wyatt Phillips.
Yes.
Mr. Phillips, did you get someone hired?
No, I talked to three,
And
and I did accomplish a little bit. I got one that told me that he would be his assistant to my filings and stuff I need, but he just can't physically come to court. He's got health issues.
okay, who else did you
He
talk
doesn't
to?
feel that you were way more money.
Who did you talk to?
Reagan, Ronaldo,
Mhm.
she told me that it's what
I can't hear you.
it's where my prospect grant right.
Okay,
And that was with all voluntary. And I talked to Eric Franklin. He told me 5,000 down, 500 every 2 weeks. And great shifts. He said, will help me and charge me as a remedy. He can't come to court. He's having health issues. So I don't believe.
are you working? Are you working, Mr.
I have
Phillips?
Social Security.
Okay.
Everything else in Lucas.
You do what?
I live at the crossing
Okay.
in Lucas, New City.
Okay. All right, then I'm going to have you fill out some paperwork this morning, Mr. Phillips, to see if you qualify for a court-appointed lawyer. You need to fill it out accurately and completely because you're going to swear under oath that it's all true and correct. All right, step in front of the clerk. She'll give you that paperwork.
Thank you.
One guilty plea, a revoked probation, and a judge who now holds her future in her hands. Will she get probation or state jail? If you want to see what happens at sentencing and more real, intense courtroom moments like this, make sure you hit subscribe right now and turn on notifications. Because in this courtroom, anything can happen.